Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add Midjourney bot to your Discord server in 2023. Midjourney bot is a versatile bot that can generate images with text, allowing you to add visual flair to your Discord server. With its powerful image generation capabilities, you can create eye-catching graphics for announcements, quote memes, and more. Of course, in this guide, we'll walk you through the steps of adding the Midjourney bot to your Discord server and start generating text-based images. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. In my case, I'm actually using the Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, whatever preferred browser you have, go to this URL section, simply type Midjourney and hit the enter button. Now make sure to go and click on the first link of midjourney.com. Of course, this will take you right away here to the home screen. Of course, if you have an account, make sure to go and click on sign in into your account. And if you don't have an account, make sure to click on get started instead so you can log in into your account. And here you'll know how to, of course, you'll be able to start this quick guide about this Midjourney if you don't want to. If you want to know about it. Of course, if you scroll down here a bit, as you can see, you'll be able to know more information about it. So make sure to go and do so if you want to. So for us, we would like to add this Midjourney bot to your Discord. So simply, once we click on get started, as you can see, we'll find here using Discord. So click on it. As you can see, Midjourney Discord. So simply, if you click on it, or let's just go and open it to a new tab as an example. As you can see, this will take you to, I'm just going to type tests, whatever it is here, and continue. And of course, they will ask if you're a human and all of that if you want to join the Discord server. So if you want to join the Discord server, as you can see, you'll be able to join the Discord server and you'll be able to use this right there. So as an example, here I'm just going to enter Discord and on this list panel, I have Midjourney here. I already joined. So simply, you'll have to go and join any text option that has this new by on it. And simply, let me just scroll down to the bottom of this page. And here we'll be able to do prompts, or sorry, it's not prompts slash imagine, it should be. Yeah, then click on space and here you'll be able to type whatever you want and that will turn it into an image. So as an example, I'm just going to type house in the forest with full moon. Or a person standing in front of a house door in the night or in the forest in the night with full moon. So simply I'll have to send it in and now we'll have to wait a bit until they generate our image. But of course, if you use it too much, as you can see, they will ask you for subscriptions. So as you can see, they ask me here for subscription required because due to extreme demand, we can't provide a free trial right now. So please subscribe or try again tomorrow if you want to. So if you use it too much, or if there is like a high demand or extreme demand, they can't do that at the moment. So you'll have to subscribe if you want to have it. So if you click at slash subscribe, you'll be able to do that. If you click on slash subscribe, you'll have to go and open their page as an example. And of course, this will take you this one. Let me just go and do that. And here we are. Of course, this will take us to their page directly. So let me just wait for it. And as you can see here, you'll find the basic plans of that. Standard plan, pro plan. Of course, every one of them will come with its own features and you can see a lot of other stuff about it. And of course, all of that if you want to use it into their Discord. So if you want to add this into your Discord, you'll have to go and open your server. As an example, for me, I don't have any server, so I'll have to go and create a new server. So I'm just going to add server, create my own. For me and my friends, I'm just going to name it tests, and I can even upload an image as an example. I'm just going to do this, click on create, and we'll have to wait for the server until it's created. And as you can see, once we are here And here you can go to this left panel or top right, go to your name and click on this drop down menu, go and click at app directory. And here you'll have to go and add the Mid Journey. Or type Midjourney there, hit the enter button. As you can see, you'll find it here. Make sure to click on it. And as you can see, you'll be able to add it to your server by clicking here. But before we add this, of course, we'll find this overview and popular slash commands. So you will like to have or to know the commands of this Midjourney bot before you even get it into your server. So there is the slash imagine, create images with Midjourney, write a prompt based on your image, describe. There is the slash blend images together seamlessly, slash info view informations about your profile, and slash settings view and adjust your personal settings. So for me, I'm just going to click on add server. And as you can see, the server that I would like to add to is just that I just created. And of course, this will allow the developers of Midjourney bot to add a bot to your server, to a server, or create commands in a server, but make review some local kombucha. This will not be it. So simply click on continue. And as you can see, make sure to go and give it whatever you would like to give it. As you can see, confirm that you want Midjourney bot to do follow permissions. So make sure to give it all the permissions here. And of course, if you want, make sure to go and read the privacy policy in terms of servers. Make sure to go and read them all, so you'll not have any problem in the future with those or with Midjourney. Then click on authorize. If you wait, if you are a human, of course, we'll have to allow access. And if we are a human, so simply I'm just going to click on go to test. And as you can see, I'll find my Midjourney bots joined here. So simply I can use the bot right away here into my server. So we can go and do this thing again, a person and like front of a house in the forest and the night in the night with full moon and send, and you will have to wait. So as you can see, again, there is extreme demand right now. So if you would like to subscribe, so we will not even care about this demand. If you want them to imagine or to create images for us or do a lot of other stuff. So for you, once it's added, you'll be normally good to go. You can simply generate now images with text, as I showed you, with slash image, or sorry, slash imagine. But you can use other options as slash info, slash invite, slash describe, and even you can go and check for all the commands that they have. And you can go and use them as an example with all the commands here. So as you can see, there is the ask, blend, describe, fast that we see before, and you will normally be good to go after you did everything. Of course, the images that you got, you can be able to download them and even share them with other people. You can explore other features and examples. So beyond generating images with text, Midjourney bot may offer additional features or functionalities. So you can take some time to explore all of that by your own. By, of course, its capabilities and experiments with different commands and settings, you may discover new ways to enhance your Discord server with engaging visual content. And of course, once you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully added the Midjourney bot to your Discord server in 2023. Of course, you can leverage the power of Midjourney bot to create visually captivating graphics to or for your Discord community. So have fun experimenting with different text styles, fonts, and designs. And make sure your server visually appealing with the Midjourney bot. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.